In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transition in InVideo Studio. By the end, you'll confidently log in, open your project, pick the right clip, choose the animation options for both the beginning and end of that clip, and fine-tune the timing so everything feels smooth and professional. First, log into InVideo. Open your browser, head to the InVideo Studio site, and sign into your account. Give the editor a moment to load so all your assets and timelines populate properly. A stable connection helps keep everything responsive while you work. Next, open your project. From the dashboard, select the project you want to edit. The editor will load with your canvas in the center, the timeline at the bottom, and the main toolbar running along the top. This layout is where you'll do all your transition work. Now click on the clip you want to add a transition to. On the timeline, find the specific video or image clip and click once to highlight it. If your timeline is dense, zoom in a little so you can select the exact piece you intend to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see it outlined and its properties become available. On the top toolbar, click on Animation. This opens the animation controls for the selected clip. You'll see separate sections for how the clip comes in and how it goes out. The interface is designed to keep this simple. One place for entry movement, another for exit movement with clear labels so you don't mix them up. You can now add transitions for in and out. The in transition controls how the clip appears on screen. Think fades, slides, or zooms to introduce your content smoothly. The out transition controls how the clip leaves the screen, which helps you hand off to the next shot without abrupt cuts. Choose effects that match your project's tone, subtle for a clean, modern feel, or more dynamic for high-energy edits. Keep consistency in mind so your sequence flows naturally. Finally, adjust the duration if needed. Use the timing control to make an effect quicker for a snappier feel, or extend it for a softer, more cinematic move. Shorter durations work well with fast music or tight pacing, while longer ones provide breathing room. As you tweak, watch how the motion lines up with your story and any background audio. A small adjustment here often makes a big difference. That's all it takes. Log in, open your project, select the clip, go to animation, choose in and out transitions, and dial in the duration. With these steps, your edits will look cleaner, feel more intentional, and keep viewers engaged.